Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to use AI effects in CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26? With AI effects, you can transform your photos and videos into unique AI generated styles in just a few taps. Let me show you how to use it. First, open CapCut on your device. Tap Edit. Next, go to AI Generator. Then tap AI Effects. Now tap the plus icon to upload your image or video. Choose the photo or video you want to edit. After uploading your media, you will see a text box that says describe the effect you want on your image. Here, you can type your own AI effect prompt. For example, you can type cinematic lighting, realistic details, smooth motion, futuristic style. You can also scroll down to the try these effects section. Here, CapCut provides many ready-to-use AI effects. Simply tap any effect you want to try. Once selected, the AI prompt will automatically appear in the text box. You can keep the original prompt or edit it to create a custom AI effect. After that, tap Generate CapCut will now create the AI effect automatically. This process may take a few moments. Once the AI effect is finished, preview the result. If you like the result, tap Export to save it to your device, and that's how to use AI effects in CapCut on Samsung Galaxy S26. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.